Ka Deputy Inspector General of Police, kakong Glodia Lyngwa, mynta ka sngi, ka tarik Lber Hajar pusau, haba iakren siya ki ladpathai khubor, kala iathuh baki pulit ka East Khasi Hills, kila Kam Dawa Bah Storgy Lyngdoh, mynha ka step jong ka tarik Lber, ubalawan rungtuh siya Meghalaya, pat ubadon bynta, haka jingwan ki dkhot ka seng iakren iasuk, lalap Shai na ka mobile jong ba Donkti haki Kam Dawa Pisa, na Kiba Bun ki Briew. Kakong Lyngwa ka ongru, balada kwah shisha ban pyndem wat, uladai bansa, Shillong, Henry ka jingle jong usya Bangladesh, bat ka jingwan rungtuh biang siya Meghalaya, kapin artatin, kala bandon ka ay.
HNLC, as you all know, from a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning. Until date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the ban HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy Lyngdoh, who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Khasi Hills police. And from his mobile phone only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue, and our doors are always open. The person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding. As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30. Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them. No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take some course. No, there was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was open and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people. No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely, investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them. No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable, because at the end of the day, that is against the law. DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all. Our job is policing, and whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC had started in Meghalaya, the police have worked, endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people. The question of surrender doesn't arise. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking with them, and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk. Nobody has reported. That is the problem. We are only hearing over social media, but as of date, there's only one single report, and in this one single report, we have acted upon it. Whatever is floating in the social media, that's just social media. But whoever has supposedly got these demand notes have never reported to us. So then how will we act on it?